tragic conflict has broken out in Rakhine State in Myanmar. As a result of this terrible violence, over 500,000 people are living in camps and settlements in Bangladesh. People have been driven out of their villages and have made long, treacherous journeys during monsoon season. In the last few weeks, over 500,000 people have reached Bangladesh hungry, thirsty and traumatized. Most are Rohingya women and children. Over half of new arrivals in Bangladesh are under 18, and 1 in 10 are pregnant or new mothers. That's 345,000 mothers and children fleeing Myanmar, the same number of people as live in Cardiff. This is one of the fastest movements of people in recent history. When people reach Bangladesh, conditions in their camps and settlements are dire. Shelter is makeshift, often made from bamboo and thin plastic and with no toilet facilities. Some are sleeping roadside or in overcrowded public buildings. Basic services like water are stretched to breaking point, and there are no large hospitals to treat diseases like fever or diarrhea. Because of massive floods recently in Bangladesh, diseases are commonplace. The risk of infection and disease is high. Food is scarce and many are surviving on just one bowl of rice a day, so people are reliant on aid to feed themselves and their families, including hundreds and thousands of women and children. Bangladesh has announced plans to build a camp to host the influx of people, but international support is needed now to relieve these severe conditions. International charities are already on the ground in Bangladesh, delivering emergency aid and are ready to scale up their humanitarian support, but they need more funding to reach people in urgent need. That's why it's so important that you support this appeal. £5 could provide a family with clean water for a week, and £30 can provide emergency shelter for one family. I'd encourage you to donate to the Disasters Emergency Committee. You can text HELPY to 70000 to donate £5, or log on to www.dec.org.uk. Diolch yn fawr. Thank you.